Hello students, today we will see the random variate generation. The first technique is inverse transformation technique. In that there are two techniques, exponential technique and continuous uniform. We will see the first one, exponential distribution. The procedure for it is step 1. Find the CDF, that is f of x is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus lambda where x is greater than or equal to 0. Step 2. Set f of x is equal to r where r is nothing but random variable, that is 1 minus e raised to minus x lambda x equal to r on the range of x is greater than 0. Step 3. Find x is equal to f inverse of r or solve f of x is equal to r, that is nothing but what is the value of x now here, considering it as 1 minus e raised to minus x lambda equal to r. It is nothing but f of x. F of x already we had given. What is the f of x value? That is 1 minus e raised to minus x lambda. So it will be here 1 minus e raised to minus lambda x equal to r. Now this, it will become the positive, go this side. So it will become here as e raised to minus lambda x is equal to 1 minus r. Then again if I remove the exponential, it will become the len, that is minus lambda x is equal to len of 1 minus r. So ultimately I need to find here what? Random variate, that is nothing but x. X is nothing but equal to 1. Okay, if it is goes here, that is nothing but minus 1 by lambda into len of 1 minus r, which is called as what? It is called as a random variate. So we are written here as, which is called the random variate generation. The last step, generate a random numbers r1, r2, r3 and so on and find the corresponding random variate, that is x1, x2, x3 using the above formula. Clear? So r is nothing but here what? Random numbers and x is nothing but what? Random variate. So we are going to find a random variate by using the random numbers. So how many these random numbers are given, those many we need to find here random variates. By using this above formula, the formula is nothing but x of I equal to 1 minus 1 by lambda into len of 1 minus r. This method is called as exponential distribution. Clear? So we'll see the problem now. Now we'll see the problem. What is the problem they had given? Generate 5 exponential random variate with mean equal to 1. Okay, and take the following random numbers. So they had given the 5 random numbers, 0.1306 and 0.0222, then 0.6597, then 0.7965 and 0.7696. So they had given the mean, right? Okay, so mean in the exponential is nothing but 1 by lambda. So we will be getting here lambda. So already they had given the random random numbers. So it is easy to find here random numbers, right? So what is the formula to find the random numbers? What is the formula to find the random variates? We know that. What is the random number to find? We know that the random variate generator is given by what it is. Already we have seen here as x is equal to minus 1 by lambda len of 1 minus r, right? Now what they had given? Mean they had given. So mean in the exponential is nothing but 1 by lambda. Okay, so they had already given here what is the mean value? 1 equal to 1 by lambda. So what I get here? Lambda equal to I'll get here 1. Okay, so how many I need to find? I need to find here 5 random variates. So I'll write here as random variate. So first we'll find here x1, that is nothing but minus 1 by lambda len of 1 minus r. So what is the r value? The first one r value, it is 0.1306. Okay, so lambda is nothing but here 1, that is nothing but minus 1 len of 1 minus 0.1306. Okay, if I solve this, I'll get here 0.1399. Clear? So again we'll find here x2, that is minus 1 by 1. Again len of 1 minus, what is second formula they second random number they had given? 0.0222 they had given. So if I solve, I'll get here 0.0224 I'll get. Clear? Now the next is x3, again minus 1 by 1, len of 1 minus, what is the next random number? 0.6597. What I'll get the answer? I'll get here, if I solve, I'll get here 1.0779. So again x3, 1 by 1, again len of 1 minus. So what is the next formula, next random number? 0.7965. So if I do, what I'll get here? I'll get here 1.5920. So it is x4. Then x5. x5 is minus 1 by 1. So I'll get here, I had to do here as len 1 minus, what is the next value, random number? 0.7696. If I solve, I'll get here as 1.4679. Okay, so therefore, so we got here 5 random variates, right? So therefore I'll write here as 5 random variables are 0.1399, 0.0224, 1.0779, 1.5920, 1.4679. Okay, hope it is clear. I'll explain one more time. So what they had given, generate 5 exponential random variate with mean is equal to 1. Take the following random numbers. They had given the 5 random numbers. So I need to find how many random variates. I need to find here 5 random variates. Okay, so we already know the formula. They are already given here which method? Exponential. So I have to consider here exponential. So we know that the random variate generation is given by x is equal to minus 1 by lambda len of 1 minus r, right? So the mean in the exponential is nothing but mean equal to 1 by lambda. So mean already they had given 1, that is equal to 1 by lambda. So therefore what I'll get the lambda value equal to 1, right? So the random variate how to generate? First I'll take here x1 equal to minus 1 by lambda len of 1 minus the first random number. What is the first random number they had given here? 0.1306. So 0.1306. So if I substitute here, I'll get here what answer? 0.1399. Okay. Now the next one, x2 I need to find. Again x2, what is the value of lambda? It is minus 1 by 1. Then again len of 1 minus 0.0222. If I solve this, I'll get here as 0.0224. Clear? Now again, what is the next random number variate I had to generate? x3. Again minus 1 by 1 len of 1 minus 0.6597. That is nothing but this random number, the third random number. So I'll get the answer if I substitute and solve it. I'll get here as 1.0779. Okay, then x4 again equal to minus 1 by 1, that is value of lambda is what? 1. Again len of 1 minus the fourth random number. What the fourth random number they had given here? 0.7965. So I had substituted here. After substituting and solving, I will be getting here as 1.5920. The next random number. The next random number is what? x5, that is minus 1 by 1 len of 1 minus 0.7696. If I solve this one, I will get here as 1.4699. So therefore, the random variables are 0.1399, 0.024, 1.0779, 1.5920, then 1.4679. Hope this is clear. Thank you.